Shenzhen ZEDA Automation Equipment Co., Ltd. is a manufacturer of automation equipment and electronic tools with screw machines as the core. Global production, sales and after-sales services. The company was established in 2005. Is a research and development, design, production, and sales as one of the high-tech enterprises. Production products include screw machine, screw arranging machine, screw supply machine, label stripping machine, line breaking suction machine, heading tape machine, technical screw machine, with automatic machine, with air suction, screw machine, air blowing, feeding machine, automatic lock screw machine, handheld automatic lock screw machine, automatic lock platform, etc. The company currently has more than 200 employees, covering engineering and technical personnel, after-sales services personnel, quality inspection personnel, sales documentary personnel, product research and development personnel, and other talents. Modern standard factory building. The company takes pioneering innovation and quality service as the foundation of the enterprise. With the concept of honest service, innovative development, and win-win cooperation, we will keep moving forward to provide customers with better service, create greater value for collaboration, make a greater contribution to society. Welcome friends from all walks of life to visit and guide business negotiations.